Last Friday, ena yenya ntiye huhu se Yera John Mahama ene Minister of Health Omaka chre Konfanochi CU Yera Professor Dr. Ochra Demensa Papa na Konfanochi na fechiri nese Papa na Konfanochi udru hokra na wompese ubi bi beko ho Papa na Konfanochi chese nyoma enkoye ye nyoma basa kura wo kwadwonso kura atese ye charge Yesusa A block B block C block D chese udru hokra na chese ase ewuo Konfanochi Tena wa ma yenya CEO sakese by Konfanochi. Do me be ya ne unnecessary politics.
Nhyira fan.
Ene mania bre papa. Unnecessary politics. Ena NDC ni MPP CEO so baye ombeye na Konfanochi afechire nse. Sa CEOs no MPP ni NDC CEOs no ene tena se ama 42 years. Na a champion building e wase ye hu adwuma ne ye ntimi anye ma ye bugu ye as say ye si foforo
Nhyira fan
MPP ni NDC CEOs no e wo Konfanochi omo baaye enso ye hu so mfaso bia apart from unnecessary politics ena na ekoso
Nhyira fan
si obi timi ba no abeto cars akese si obi betimi aba na ono ankasa ono ani yiedie ena odete CEO Konfanochi ho
Nhyira fan
empo MPP omu baaso yi ekofa CEO fo bi baaye yehu de omu beyeye ena nyame ya adom ena yewura na adoda nkwakufu ado ehun se bebia Konfanochi aduru no enkoye enti papa bia owo animunyam ewo Kwame Nkrumah suapon mu a efa medical ho nyoma wasom many years onya nintete ewo Germany ena onya asantete no de ba Ghana ha wantena Germany o ena obesom ya a training crofo dodo na ewo Kwame Nkrumah suapom doctors ahodo a omafa papa yi nsem papa yi ko KATH University a wasom akwani asa bebre so ema eduru ba bi kra no obeye the vice dean of students KATH University Professor Ochra Demensa ena na doda hwe se wonim papa we ya bra Facebook me kire wade papa we eyampa se oye MPP ni no doubt about it because minim no miniano no nanso upe wo ma omomfa MPP ni NDC nya aseme papa na doda nkwa akufo ado ba foforo nanka omu pese omu ye no standard authority boss Ghana Standard Authority boss. Ghana Standard Authority. But onya sa position no. Enkrofo kwa wo no ho ka kire ne se ono professor no ompe na adoda nkwa akufo ado asem. Enti ono MPP fo. Ye man ni sa position no because unim papa we ayete se yen yesuban na bia enye obeka ne pepe pa kire wo. Enti se wonim no a obeka se sabi ompe wa asem. Nanso ntete aba akwa ye de tete ye ne se ade ne enye wo party a wo firi mu ba enti oye obi a na adoda nkwa akufo ado na o criticize ne pa ka che ne se nyoma bi a wo ye ne nye enti time na akufo ado ba ye na ye man is our position as Ghana Standard Authority director no enkrofo sha ase se MPP fo sha ase se o wo no na ompe wa asem no ono ankasa ko na adoda nkwa akufo ado me kasa secret na kire wo amwa hu papa ya ye ka ne ho asem bi ono ankasa ko na adoda nkwa akufo ado ho ko ka kire ne se nana me da asese wo ma me sa position no nanso se me ka no kra ne kire na nkrofo se me mpe wa asem a opposition fa enti ono nko ani obi a otimi ka kire na akufo ado se position na opeso de man as director for Ghana Standard Authority no mpe omfa after all oye uchirechire ni oye lecturer e common de no wabobra e common de no wabobra dada otse na akufo ado fa opposition wadaroma na medase ono nko a ho asem bebre bae all because na MPP for ni bi kodi konkonsa say onye na Akufo-Addo nipa eduru maybe ohye programs bi ase e fe ne breso sem ohye ase otek ansa na ode ba pure FM ya ni nyina na hye ase na samre na MPP na e wo so utie show na because na me was so lawyer mpanyifo akese utie show na MPP for mpe because according to them no mo say show ni nyina no eye NDC for including Papai makato say Papai oye MPP ni nanso utie ni nsema a woka na there's no way obehu so oye MPP ni because oye factual eduru maybe me the video beto eduru maybe ono okose na nado danko Akufo-Addo ewo okọ abusia no papa yi asemo uye obi a na o criticize na nado danko Akufo-Addo pa eye professor Ochiradan Mensa enti makatel say ope MPP Ashanti region panyufo a na omu support a eye papa we now so ope obi a na otimi ka na nado danko Akufo-Addo asem pa ya eye papa we now so eduru mre wo say ye di position bi bre no mane be ye no ye panacho mani free KNUST as the vice dean of students e mane ba Comfort teaching hospital se ombeye adwuma papa professor Ochiradan Mensa ba ye no enye obi ne beka akire wankase wahu Comfort ane eyare no afei de yewura edi nanim nyam beta papa yechi Emma for the first time in the history of Comfort he say Comfort ayarehwe basro konanim because papa way etime the few years asesa Comfort watimi ama blocks ni bia ne enkoye no to say okwa fefefe professor Ochiradan Mensa empo mamenka na nkyerɛw Professor Ochiradan Mensa ebeye CEO of Comfort no ankasa ne nkrofo MPP board chairman for kra sabotage papa yi MPP board of one for na ne adia mu say omumboa no na nka omunya adwuma na ono ankasa ne nkrofo sabotage no because according to him no papa ne di enmunya asa enmunya wo di enmunya bia ba ama nkrofo bia ni awu enti ono ankasa ne board for ni bi no mu sabotage papa yi a ode bua Comfort because papa yi enya otumfo anim enmunyam papa yi aye nneoma bi a ebi nsida ewo Kumase a ema obi anim se papa ne ye adwuma aninti Comfort o concentrofo nyina bomu ema ye de akoma support say ye pese project no ekoye project over $10 million no yetimi agege kakra ye gusu a obi ye de akoma pa eye nanka ne yesa renew ne contract na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo time enti nka ne contract ne be expire November 2026 next year afei de Friday ye wo hwa ne ate huhu se health minister Minta Akando afre ne di nkoma se ya ye ne de onfa na dwuma nto na yede foforo eba nti samre ya ye kasei yenya ne ntie se Comfort CEO a odi animonyama ba enioma bebre wo ho a oye no party politics inti yesi won fa na adwuma nto ne emfa obi foforo mra yate se obi foforo na eba yera Joma Hama yera Minta Akando na yera Minta Akando kra de o minister yi eyeme nwanwa because nanu bi unya accident Minta Akando unya accident health minister na ye MP for Dwaboso unya accident eye papa we and save life papa we oda Comfort wa mo antua one cedi mpo ono na wave yes say wo ko because we MP on my gina so hwe wo yie unya accident. It is a party for crowd the pressure to so it won't mean kind no just because of politics in tea. The party for say enti nipa na wayere no ho a wo boa Kumase man mo nyama ba no according to mumu interest in intino onko na for from na because I gone into enyo no nkwa na betimi aye na ne NDC ne MPP fo a no mo tewa omo ma part ade no fekere ne se enti ka fa wani kura to ye wura anim se papa yi esum ye wura na omo ye project bi enti wo pese opan mo no kura na man mre kakra no fam prepare just because of na de oba no be den
Nhyira FM.
But this Dr. Bedu nearby amanie no ba behu Dr. Bedu wo de wani age on the Ghana Medical Association for Ashanti Region President. Una woba, ubenya amanie keke because some of us will never support you. Yeah, me, sa support no unyame me katro. Because I don't understand. Sometimes my politics ne nyefe. Enti yewra Professor Chademensa enti nka yentimi mane nyes okay next year de but eyeden ya we control there for afi e prepare wo ho. Na by December ebia woko because ebia party for enti now ntimi mane nyesa said the be ya ade no guso jeje ntoboa kakran eboa konfonoche enti die nko na Professor Dr. Bedu yi be ye die no betimi aye say me no me frɛ me nti konfonoche for me konfonoche support me yi me ho afrim. Nobody should call me Dr. Bedu me ntimi support no. That's the honest truth. Enti me mane me yet say me ntimi support no. That's the honest truth. Because Samaris, look at all the media in Ashanti region a support Frank Amwakohini any Zuba no. Yeah, catcher will say at least John Mahama to Boase, Nema Papa we into an Juman so kakrano, Manfi, Modemo Paba, and to confirm not your bedroom baby who hear media me mahobi, Ebia reporters in the Babao.
Nhyira FM.
Ebia reporters in the Babao, me maho, Dr. Bedu me unyame support. Because sometimes I have no conscience, me or conscience and make us say. Metiasie honorable metiasie pa but adwuma papa yi ye man nto aso kakra anya bia metimi a prepare me ho because you are still a medical doctor metimi a prepare me ho for next year efe eno ne ache so your conscience asem because ono eduru maybe no professor utimi ka say adwuma we mia na ma ban so mempe he say where you na free ho so why den because aban sisa na say you Radio Mahama ye won kofo bi wo ho a omu ye MPP fo a wa ma omu ye adwuma Professor Jantuah mu no omu nya NDC fo ba wa ma omu adwuma omu ye ya won kofo bebre wo ho a wa ma omu no omu kra criticize omu wa ma omu adwuma se omu mwa wo wa ban enti ne nwanwa ne say wo ma Professor Ochirademensa enye na adwuma kakra ansa no wa yi na firi ho because of politics na no tamale de wo yi no yete ase. But what ana wa ko konfa no chiwo baby a wo yare ya akoda ye na ye hye wo no minti ase wo sa de we hu e ba ye ma frem panyufo dodo na panyufo ni bi empren so NDC panyufo dodo na bi kra empren de ekoso no but you see yan hwe ya enyoma bi wo ho politics ni ase no me owura franka mo akohene obi ani me support am de ma no because oye adwuma me obi obeba Ashanti regional oye adwuma no me so ye rezuba bai me support no 100%. Why? Because we need to make sure say Ashanti and to obi a wo Ashanti regional de enmonyam bra Ashanti regional. Why do we have to allow? I don't think Professor Ochirademensa why den e de adwuma kwa na Dr. Bedu yi ba beye oh Jesus Christ. Now, Dr. Bedu, media support, media ne kutayen you. Into a mania to say we are victim of circumstances. Brian Abe Bre, Koya Befas wa gather media and minim die. Abe Brepa, because his same near the year was her. Into bones support unya. Into where nya feel where Jumano ye, and I'll confront for the first time. Staff no cry, ye happy. CEO on Chance Brow office, or no obey, otimiti no ne wood dim komo. Ko confront not in the koshe the kind of obie bien na no kase papa we die. It is any when your mom pe. Well, someone says I'm a penny so I be any sir. Could be a quick comment na fi any KM mayo ending komo onobuzuba.
Sure nana good morning. In fact, me say prof asem no na my sheki kakra say e dey ntina say I mean oko because you say you dealing with competence, skills and all that. na Prof Ocean Ejuma from the beginning since 2022 he was appointed to office. No why Ejuma I mean Ocean improvement or the aba Komfanochi economy. Nana to mention a few. Oba ye no Komfanochi revenue omo ye no. Weekly revenue from 1.2 million or they call 2.9. Even recently Kranen am 3.2. Which shows you say man no obo Ejuma ma Komfanochi enya omoka Komfanochi moka. Yen heta malidi esi. Na quiet to say cut the whole we proffer their leadership and tessa. So the was saki no water malino. What didn't compare Profadea and tessa. So I was wondering why Profadea will be moved out. And also share reforms or their ba in fact confonochina issues be brave share infrastructure one. And they pharmaceutical block or their ba first no more complain womunru e be gu baby na ayebasa and the pharmaceutical blocker which me abua mo I establish it. Ama e hono aye kama. Oh, and an answer or staff no crown or packages and no munya. Only see you are ye can't say a month will be sorry and say Hayani a kind document. I don't pass you tuna dear soon, another damn quick for the time.
Yeah.
Only see you are all the health workers associations say what Nejumamu were sorry so mumpene. Confanoche doctors. Even see that Confanoche Doctors Association, Womo GRN nurses, health service workers, I would do group nina sorry, so mom prema this particular CEO enko because the competence in the way I will see the Jumane outstanding. Oma ye Juma, but almost a papa de. Come first year Jumano a dance. Nana Adiba kwa Dibiana me can say, ye ma politics a say o me. And a drum is my mini dino a say o me. Yet yan ye 3 year ye toilet ye 2 boot sa ye didn't know one ye de quiet and can't banana ye say o mine. The onimu kun ana the onimu twono near the Nigerian yano. And yes, abe near a commodine won't ya no be didi. Yes, I near no. Ye shed ye bebwa wo mine no mining puntu. And to me, I think said the step wa woman take for Prophet Day, ni jumedia odi or confanochi o mama na complete no. Media, I'm not happy about it. The next aspect, they said, Obano. I learned so ye Ashanti Regional President for a year Ghana Medical Association. Well, a juma daneso. The Empabwakesia Prophet Day, Edia Tuwa no dia sha wo de ye confanochi e juma no. Media, I don't see it in onone performance within the GMA even in Ashanti region. How I want to improve Ghana Medical Association no do media Ashanti
Ghana Medical Association
me who improvement be out there by GMA on betumi aka kire ye but your leadership and obi obetumi improve Komfanochi. I think that they should have taken their time. Now Komama Prophet there etumi continue to finish the washasi anko di bewie especially with the Hill Komfanochi project. Nana onu awodi animu no it even gives the project advancement because or to course what the next in so and would did you and you see the kind of commitment amount for Deba. I don't know whether say baby able to me a pulley that within the space but and as you said we are all not happy with the development but the
na oma me hu say NDC for no as usual on say the sans hunu na MPP for ye
no dear say
na NDC for montias say it is said the near catch MPP for say sans hunu no mu ye no mu de be ko opposition no sanity aha nti the impact of Nhyira FM no you can underestimate it no problem but mpanifon de umunim tie to be anamu fusu jese me pese me de be ko too far but say Nhyira FM say yan support wa de bi ho a mpanifon they know the impact nti obetimi atena wa se fusu je no na betimi aye wo social media no akere wa adwen
na de omo kan de pa no betimi aka se Prophet there aya he deserve to be removed de pa no betimi wo betimi abo 1 2 3 things abeka se yenyina so nyi no apart from being a political appointee and betimi ayi na free for another person to take over very sad but then I believe say Amantia obey no so no so I mean he's coming to test the waters.
Well, let's see how it goes. Masem na ade na nya yenka say.
By any failure at Komfanochi, we will blame them.
No problem. Say it kuruma. My any era also a child or a member of